CNC Router Kit Aluminum Parts 30 by 40 cm Frame. Item Specifics: CNC or not CNC. Model number CNC Frame 3040 with stepper motor. Condition new. Machine dimensions: 650 by 520 by 42 Rack material: 6061 and 6063 hard aluminum alloy. Acceptable material thickness: smaller than 90 mm. Z-axis stroke: 60 mm. Diameter of spindle motor: 65 mm. Repeat positioning accuracy: 0.02 mm. Product description: people who viewed this item also viewed high-quality CNC router kit aluminum parts 3040 CNC frame with stepper motor plus limit switch. Technical parameters: machine dimensions 650 x 520 x 42 mm. Rack material 6061 and 6063 hard aluminum alloy. The unique and dedicated mold extrusion profiles let counterfeiters dwarfs. Engraving area 300 by 400 Z-axis stroke 60 mm. Engraving depth depends on the length of the tool edge. Acceptable material thickness: less than or equal to 90 mm. Rail type: chrome pit shaft plus supported guide rail. Type of screw: Z is 1605 ball screw, Z is 1204 ball screw. Diameter of spindle motor: 65 mm. Stepper motor size. Thanks for watching. More details check in the description.